Hello guys, welcome back again my channel. Next video. In this video, I want to show you how you change the user code. Before we start my video, please subscribe my channel and press the icon bell. And please share my video. Then other people they can more benefit from this video. Yeah. So usually when you buy the new house, sometimes the panels already is there, Pyronix panel is there, then you don't know how you change the code. It's very simple. So what do you do if you know the if you existing owner they give you code, then you want to change the code. So what do you do? Just you go to all your panel, what the existing owner they give you code, then press D for delta, then whichever is the code. My default code is 222, but maybe your code is different, maybe 1234, maybe 888, we don't know. So just put your code. My one is 222. Okay, then press no again, no again, then you say edit user, then press yes, then press no again, no again, then is the change master code. Okay, there is you need to change the code. Okay, so just press yes. Okay, already this code is there. So what we do, just you type 4 number. So I just put maybe 1 2 3 4. You put something else, then press yes. Okay, press yes again, then after press no, 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 then that's it. Then press A for apple. Okay, let me check is code is changed or not. But before code is 222, let me see 22 is working or not. As you can see, 22 work, the code not working. So now let's try 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. The code is changed. Okay. So if you back to change the code again, same thing. Press D for delta. Then 1 2 3 4. Then press no, no, no. Add user, press yes, then press say no, no. Change master code, press yes, then I put my code default again, 2222, then press yes, 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 then press no, no, no. That's it. Press A for apple. So now check 1 2 3 4 is working. 1 2 3 4 not working. Check the 222 2 the code is working. Okay, so this is the way to change the master code. If you like my video, please give thumbs up and give comments. See you next video. Thank you. Bye.